Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening once again, and you are welcome back to the class. Now, I will be showing you another app we will be using for this course, and that is FeedMate. So, I will drop the link where you can download the FeedMate app, or you can go to Play Store and download it. Under this video, you will see the link there. So, you will download FeedMate too. The way you do the other time, download it and install it on your phone. Go to either your Apple Store or your Play Store. So now let's dive into the class for the now. If you want to create your Quran video, you will have a concept that you'll be using. It depends on your own creativity. So but we'll be using the Pinterest now. So to get our background video, I will go straight to the Pinterest now. So this is the Pinterest. You see, look at here, look at this, search. Just click on it and search for Quran video background. Just search for Quran video background. So it will bring a lot of background for you that you can use for your Quran. So let us use this. You see, I will click on this three dots here. Here is the three dots. This is the three dots. Click on it. Click on it. You see all what is here. Sometimes you will see download, so just download it. But if you cannot download, click on copy link. If you click on copy link, now go to the FeedMate. You download. This is the FeedMate. This is how it looks like. So go to your FeedMate and paste the link on FeedMate for you to download the background video. So we are now on the background video. You see here, the search here, this particular place. You see this particular place. This is where you paste the link. That's where you paste the link. So paste the link there. Paste it there. So I will go to the Quran app now. The iQuran is here. Let's say I want to do something. Maybe stop now.